McCulloch v. Maryland is a consequential case which provided the battleground between the federal government and the state government. In 1816, Congress created the Second Bank of the United States, which acted as the federal government's personal bank account and financial manager. The state of Maryland hated having a federal bank operating in their state. To push back, Maryland passed a law taxing any bank not chartered by the state, a tax aimed directly at the national bank. James McCulloch, a cashier at the bank, refused to pay Maryland's revenge tax. Maryland sued McCulloch, and the case raised two key constitutional questions. One, did Congress have the constitutional authority to create a national bank? And two, could a state tax that federal bank? The court voted against Maryland, giving two main reasons. First, it said that Congress had a right to create the bank under the Necessary and Proper Clause, even though the Constitution doesn't directly say Congress can make bank. Creating one was a reasonable way to carry out its powers, like collecting taxes or regulating commerce. Second, the court ruled that if the states could tax federal institutions, they could basically shut down the federal government, because the power to tax involves the power to destroy. Clearly, that can't fly. This case established two major ideas. One, implied powers. Congress has powers beyond what's listed in the Constitution if those powers help Congress carry out its duties. Two, federal supremacy. Federal laws and institutions are superior to state laws under the Supremacy Clause. So, what do you think? How powerful should the federal government be compared to the state? Where should the line be between federal and state authority?